Good morning, 4th class children. Now I am going to tell you about Summative Assessment 1, Essay 1 Model Paper. Syllabus children, Changes Around Us lesson, Plants Around Us lesson, Needs and Wants lesson. 3 lessons children. 4th lesson, 5th lesson, 6th lesson. 4th lesson, Changes Around Us. 5th lesson, Needs and Wants. 6th lesson, Plants Around Us. Okay children, now I am going to tell you about Model Paper Subject EVS 4th class. First Roman, choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Which of the following is not a man-made change? Making chairs, changes of day and night, tearing of paper. Changes of day and night. Chemical changes are always reversible, mostly irreversible, always irreversible. Mostly irreversible. Artificial ripening of fruits is a dash. Periodic change, physical change, undesirable change. Undesirable change. Dash are tall, big and strong plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs. Trees. Dash are bushy plants. Shrubs. Take out your term 1. Workbook, page number 25. Which of the following is not a man-made changes? Changes of day and night. Which of the following changes can be reversed? Wet clothes to dry clothes. Next, chemical changes are mostly irreversible changes. Cyclic changes are also called periodic changes. Which of the following is chemical change for a piece of paper burning? Artificial ripening of fruits is a undesirable changes. Okay children. See here children, B, C, A, B. Which of the following is not a man-made changes? B. Changes of day and night. Next, chemical changes are mostly irreversible. B. Artificially ripening of fruits is a undesirable changes. C. Dash are tall, big and strong plants. Trees. A. Dash are bushy plants. Shrubs. B. Second Roman, fill in the blanks children. The dash sells only flowers. Florist, Florist. Florist. Trees are known as our lifelines. Right here, L-I-F-E, life, L-I-N-E-S, lines. Lifelines. The currency of Japan is yen. Y-E-N. This is a symbol children. Next, direct exchange of goods or service is barter system. B-A-R-T-E-R-S-Y-S-T-E-M, system, barter system. The largest flower in the world is The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia, R-A-F-F-L-E-S-I-A. Okay children, the florist sells only flowers. Trees are known as our lifelines. Our currency of Japan is yen children. Next, direct changes of goods or service is barter system. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Open page number 37 in term 1 workbook. The plants which grow on their own are wild plants. The florist sells only flowers. Trees are known as our lifelines. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Mangroves live in the coastal intertidal zone. Next, third Roman, match the following: roots, green pigment in plants, goods, service, wants. Roots. Next, physical objects cannot be shared. We like to have. Fix the plant in the soil, chlorophyll. Roots, fix the plants in the soil. D. Green pigment in plants, chlorophyll. E. Goods, we like to have. Physical objects, goods, physical objects, children, right here. A. Physical objects. Service, cannot be shared. B. Wants, we like to have. C. D, E, A, B, C. Okay, children. Matching. Open page number 37 in term 1 workbook. Cultivation of flowers, floriculture, seeds, dispersal, wind, roots, fix the plant in the soil, green pigment in plants, chlorophyll, reduce air pollution, trees. Next, fourth Roman, children, say whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F. A weed is not a cultivated plant. This is a correct statement right here. True. T. All flowering plants produce fruits. This is a false statement right here. F. Human needs are alternative. This is a true right here. T. Mobile phone is a need nowadays. True right here. T. ATM is used to withdraw money at any time. This is a correct statement right here. T. Okay, children, write neatly. Open workbook. Open page number 31, children. Term 1 workbook, page number 31. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Wants are the same for each and every person. False. Mobile phone is a need nowadays. Next, human needs are alternative. True. ATM is used to withdraw money at any time. True. To own a car is a need for everyone. False. Next, fifth Roman, children. Note down some banking related terms. This is a bank, children, right here. Banking related terms. Bank account, right here. BANK, bank. ACCOUNT, account. Next, credit card. CREDIT, credit. CARDS, cards. Deposit. DEPOSIT, deposit. Next, withdraw. WITHDRAW, withdraw. Debit card. DEBIT, debit. CARDS, cards. Next, interest. INTEREST, interest. Okay, children. Open workbook, page number 30. Note down the some banking related terms: bank, bank account, deposit, withdraw, credit card, debit cards, interest. Sixth Roman, complete the table given below. What I paid for, what I bought, goods or service. Haircut. Haircut, service, children, right here. Service. SERVICE, service. Groceries, goods. GOODS, goods. Toys, goods. GOODS, goods. Bicycle repair, service. SERVICE, service. Laundry, service. SERVICE, service. Open page number 32. What I paid for, what I bought. Goods or service. Haircut, service. Groceries, goods. Movie, service. Bicycle repair, service. Ice cream, goods. Laundry, service. Okay, children, like this. Read this page. Next, Roman number 7. How can you differentiate between goods and service? How can you differentiate differentiate between goods and service. Goods, service. Open page number 32 in term 1 workbook, children. See here. These are physical commodities. These are process or activities. These can be touched. These cannot be touched. These can be stored. These cannot be stored. These can be shared. These cannot be shared. Okay, children? Read this question. Okay? 32 page. Total 32 page. Read at home. Practice at home. These are physical commodities. These are process or activities. These can be touched. These cannot be. Service cannot be touched. Goods can be stored. Service cannot be stored. Goods can be shared. Service cannot be shared. Okay, children? Next, second question. What is the difference between shoot system and root system of a plant? Root system, shoot system. Open term 1 workbook, page number 36. Root system, shoot system. Root system. The underground part of the plant is root system. The underground part of a plant is root system. Shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot system. Okay, children? 8th Roman Laurel. Observe these two plants. Observe these two plants, children. Creeper, climber. What are they called? Creeper, climber. What is the common features between these plants? How are they differentiate from each other? Children, take out your term 1 workbook, page number 36. Observe these two pictures. Cucumber, grapevine. No. This is a creeper. Climber. This is a climber, children. Flowers. Climber. This is a creeper. Only oral, children. 10 marks. What are they called? Creeper, climber. Creepers, climbers. What is the common feature between these plants? These are the plants with weak stem. These are the plants weak stem. Next, what are the different from each other? The difference is that creepers spread horizontally along the soil. Climbers take the support of an object for climbing. The difference is that creepers spread horizontally along the soil. Climbers take the support of an object for climbing. Okay, children? These 3 questions, oral questions. Page number 36. Okay, children, this is model paper SA1 model paper only. Practice at home. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.